Alrighty, time for another edition of Science Sunday, joined by, of course, Aoife Ryle of the Connecticut Science Center.
Hello. We're on different sides of the table today.
How does it feel?
It's a little strange. We're going to make it work, though.
Yeah. So it's the middle of December. We're in cold and flu season, and it's important that everyone wash their hands.
Yeah, everyone hopefully should be washing their hands a couple times a day. But I want to talk a little bit about soap today because it is cold and flu season.
That is a key component of washing your hands.
Yeah, we're going to talk about how it works,
okay.
How it's able to break down oils and fats and things like that and clean up your hands.
All right, sounds good.
So the first and important part about soap is that it bonds really well to fats and oils and things like that. So I have whole milk in this container here, which has some fat in it.
And it's important. If we were using skim milk, for instance, to do this demonstration, it would not work as well.
Yeah, that's actually might be something to try at home to see how skim versus whole or 2% might work with an experiment like this.
All right.
So what we're going to do, we're going to drop some food coloring in. So if you want to
just a few drops?
Just a few drops in different spots. This is just so we can see any motion we might cause. This will help us keep an eye on where our liquids are moving. All right, and now we're going to take some soap. So I have some soap in that container there. We're going to dip a toothpick in there, get all nice and soapy.
Oh, this is.
Yeah.
Now, any particular brand or style of soap?
Just dishwashing soap. So any you might use in the kitchen. You ready? We're just going to drop it right in there.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Yeah, so we can see that our soap is causing all this liquid to move around. It's trying to interact with the fat molecules. The soap likes to wrap them up.
Okay.
And so it's pushing all of that water out of the way so it can interact with all that fat.
And so it's cleaning your hands when you're washing them.
Yeah. So we get all those really nice patterns. So just like when we wash our hands, that soap wraps around all the fat and the oils so we can then wash it away.
Okay, very good.
Another really important thing about soap is that it cuts down the surface tension of water. So that means that all those molecules can interact with each other a little bit better because our water isn't quite as sticky. So we're going to see that with some little boats that we have here. These are just made out of styrofoam, but you can use anything light that floats.
All right, so in the toothpick.
We're going to use a toothpick, and you're going to cover just the back of the boats.
And these are just styrofoam?
Just styrofoam. You could use corrugated plastic or cardboard, anything that's light and will float.
Like literally just doing the back.
Yeah, we're just dabbing some soap on the back.
Not on the underside of it, just
no, just on the very back.
All right.
And when we're ready, we're just going to drop them right in this big container of water that I have on the floor here. You ready?
Right. Yeah, should we do this?
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Look at that.
Go. So that soap is breaking down the surface tension of the water right behind our boats.
So we didn't obviously force them or propel them in any manner. We just literally dropped them in the water.
Yeah, and water likes to move from areas of low surface tension to areas of higher surface tension. So the water is moving out, and that pushes the boats with them.
Very cool.
So that's another really important thing of why soaps can break down all those fats and oils on our hands and clean us up a little bit.
Indeed. All right, so live science is always happening at the Science Center, including at your upcoming vacation camps that are happening.
Yes, we have some camps coming up. The 3 days after Christmas and then Martin Luther King Day. We're going to do some stuff with Pokemon, kitchen chemistry. We'll be doing some coding. So there's some really fun camps. You're
going to be there. You can come meet Aoife.
Yeah, you can come hang out with me if you are between the ages of 6 and 12.
Okay, so 6 and 12, and important to register online. Go to the Science Center's webpage to register, and it's good to do some in advance because they will sell out.
Yeah, they do sell out. We also do have discounts for people who work in downtown or who are Science Center members, so check that out if that applies to you.
Perfect. All right, Aoife, thank you so much. And of course, we'll see you for another edition of Science Sunday next weekend.